Hey everybody, welcome back. It's John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC. Today's episode into 3D printing, we're gonna do our first 3D print. You've done everything you need to do. You got the 3D printer, you got the bed leveled. If you missed the bed leveling video, I'll put a link in the description. But just like yourself, I'm excited to finally do some 3D printing. So let's hop right into it and get it. So I've got a fresh roll of PLA filament, diameter of 1.75 millimeters, so it's good to go. Color is white. Let's get this cut out of the bag. Got my little thing there. You don't need to pull it out. It's gonna unwind and go wild if you pull it all the way out here. So just leave it hanging out right there for just a second. And I'm pretty sure it's an adopted standard across the board for all 3D printer companies to come with some type of SD card reader and an SD card. This is an SD card reader with a USB port that would plug right into your laptop, and then the SD card sits right in the top of it. On that SD card that comes with your 3D printer is going to be a program on there called the Benchy G code. And that G code is just the language that your 3D printer uses to 3D print. So we're gonna take our little SD card and we're gonna put it into the 3D printer so we can get that Benchy code and we can print it. Show you where we're gonna put the SD card out here. Pull this around. Right here on this area where the power box is connected to the extruder is going to be a slot that says TF. And on that TF slot, you want your gold bars to your SD card facing out. Good to go. But before we check our media, we gotta put our filament into our extruder. So plop that up there, get that out of its hole, run it from behind, and then down into the extruder. And there's gonna be a little plastic little lip right here, and then a spring-loaded like button. Pull the lip towards the button, put our filament down in there at the bottom, and then we're good to go. All right, let's access our media and get to printing. Alrighty, we've got the 3D printer turned on here. We're gonna click our button, scroll down to print from media, and then right there where it says 3D Benchy G code, that is what we're after. Click on that, and then we're gonna start the print. And now everything is completely in motion. The extruder is going to heat up, the bed is going to heat up, and then it will start to print. Let's watch it. And that is it, guys. They call it the Benchy, but it's a boat. Don't understand it, never understood it, is what it is. But everything is completely cooled off here. We're cool to the touch. I like to let the machine sit for about 3 minutes before I pull my little 3D creation off. Get your spatula out, you're gonna need that, and just come up underneath her here and show, well, that one came off real easy. So the cooler everything is, the easier it is to come off. But there you are, that's the Benchy. I know, it's a tugboat. I don't understand it either, but that's it. You've finally done your first 3D print. You're ready to start downloading designs offline, and that's gonna be our next bit here. So hit that subscribe button. Don't miss on how to 3D print other designs off the internet for free. This is John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.